So let me get this straight. You bought equipment, you made the beats, and now you can't sell the beats. And your question is, what jobs can a music producer do right now? Wait a minute, that should have been the first question that you asked. Well, don't worry, I got your back on this one. We'll take a look at some jobs, we'll take a look at the skills that you're gonna need for those jobs, and then we're gonna set a desired income for those jobs, okay? Now, after we do all of that, you should be able to create your desired job because you're gonna have to as a music producer. You should be able to achieve your desired pay from this, and then you will regain your confidence in this music industry that has so put you down at this point. If you're cash strapped and you're on edge a little bit, that's good because you're going to need that pressure. Now, if we don't do something about this right now, your equipment is going to get very dated, and you know that. You know that upgrading those Native Instruments plugins and those Waves plugins cost money, and a lot of times you can't even get the cracked versions to work right on these new computers, especially the new M1 Max. It's like, come on. So let's get this right so you can get as much gear as you want. I've been through this before. I'm going to tell you how to get out of it. My name is Casey Graham, and this is the Music Money Makeover Show. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Music Money Makeover Show. Let's hop right in. So, our desired job, let's take a look at it. We're either going to be a beat maker, a producer, or a composer. Don't let that go over your head. A beat maker, a producer, or a composer. Those are the three positions that you're going to be as a music producer. It's not really going to change when it comes to making music. Before you click off, look at this. We got to set our desired income, and I set them kind of close together, and I spaced them far apart at the million a year. See, when you're a beat maker, $80,000 a year is your first goal. That is your first goal, not 50, I'm talking about 80. And you can be a B-list music producer, a person that's in the studio with the artist, making sure the artist is doing the records right, coaching them, doing a little bit of editing and all of that. Beat maker, you're just making the beats, you're leasing them. You have a beat store online, you're looking to make $80,000 a year. And then you're a new composer making music for commercials, television and film. You know, maybe you're doing bumpers for social media profiles. You're just working for music libraries. 80K a year has got to be, especially with inflation, that's your first tier. Your second tier right here, 100K a year. This is a beat maker who has a serious sales funnel going on. Your B-list producer right here is at the verge of becoming an A-list producer, might already be in their first, they might already have their first hit, and this is the first check that they got before they're getting ready to get the next royalty checks rolling in. And then you can be a new composer right here, making music for television and film or commercial music right here. So that's I mean, TV commercials and national and international campaigns go for a lot. So keep that in your mind. Now, at $1 million a year, you're the beat maker, the A-list producer, you've got a few hit records already, and you're a composer right here because all of your music is getting licensed for all of that. But I set it at these brackets right here so that you will understand where the jump is going to happen, okay? Between 100,000 and $1 million a year right there. So now, the necessary skills that you're going to need for this right here. Beat makers equal online. You're going to need that online marketing sales funnel. It's got to be automated. It's got to be, all right? Producer, you're going to build a supreme clientele list like Ghostface, you know what I mean? And as a composer, you're going to need networking skills. You're going to have to learn how to compose for television and film, and you're going to have to build a supreme clientele list. The supreme clientele list is not just any old email list. It is a certain list. It's a select list of high-paying clients that you go to sell your goods and services to. It is unlike the sales funnel for all the little newbie artists who want to get started. So I'm giving you a lot of game in this video, producers right here. If you want to go deeper on this, book a call with me because beating the house looks like this. Accomplishing this leads to your first few placements, which gets you some status, and that helps you open doors to the inside of the industry, leading to more revenue. That means better relationships, faster opportunities, and quality opportunities right here. You know what I mean by that? So remember, the whole reason for this process is to create your desired job, achieve your desired pay, and regain your confidence in the music industry. All right? Now that you understand all of that, book a call, get a plan, and get some results. A lot of people are starting now to see results from these calls, and I want you to partake in that too. Music Money Makers, this is the Music Money Makeover Show. I'll see you next time. Peace.